the fast-paced world we live in, finding the perfect kitchen gadget that combines efficiency and versatility is a true gem. Enter the dual breakfast sandwich maker, a kitchen innovation that promises to revolutionize your mornings with quick and delicious breakfast options. In this review, we'll explore the features and benefits that make this appliance a standout choice for busy professionals, students, and food enthusiasts. The perfect gift for all occasions, the video highlights the breakfast sandwich maker as the ideal gift for various occasions, and after trying it out, it's easy to see why. Whether it's a birthday, a white elephant party, or Father's Day, this appliance caters to a wide audience. Its versatility and convenience make it a thoughtful and practical gift for dads, grads, busy professionals, students, and foodies alike. Quick and easy operation. One of the standout features of the dual breakfast sandwich maker is its ability to whip up a customized breakfast sandwich in just 5 minutes with 4 simple steps. This quick and easy operation is a game changer for those hectic mornings or when you're craving a swift, healthy meal on the go. The appliance not only saves time but also allows users to enjoy a hot and delicious homemade breakfast without the hassle. 2 is better than 1. The video emphasizes the dual functionality of this breakfast maker, and it's a feature that truly sets it apart. Having the capability to prepare 2 sandwiches simultaneously is perfect for families, entertaining guests, or simply satisfying a hearty appetite. The convenience of cooking 2 sandwiches at once adds to the efficiency and practicality of the appliance. Create a custom sandwich with ease. The breakfast sandwich maker doesn't just promise speed and convenience, it also offers the flexibility to create custom sandwiches tailored to your preferences. Whether you're aiming for a low-carb option or a protein-packed delight, the complimentary recipe book provided with the appliance gives users a plethora of fun and delicious meal ideas. This feature adds a creative touch to the breakfast routine, making it more enjoyable and personalized. Easy cleanup. After the culinary adventure, the last thing anyone wants is a cumbersome cleanup process. Fortunately, the breakfast sandwich maker addresses this concern with all removable parts being dishwasher safe. This user-friendly design ensures that maintaining the appliance is as easy as using it, adding to the overall appeal of this breakfast game changer. Conclusion. In conclusion, the dual breakfast sandwich maker lives up to its promises, providing a quick, customizable, and efficient solution to morning meal dilemmas. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or someone who simply enjoys a delicious breakfast, this appliance is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. With its thoughtful features, ease of use, and the ability to cater to diverse tastes, the dual breakfast sandwich maker has earned its place as a must-have kitchen gadget. Say goodbye to breakfast stress and hello to a new era of morning delight. Number 2. Gotham Steel Non-Stick Panini Press Sandwich Maker, 2-in-1 Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Pro Review. Today, we've got an exciting review for you, the Gotham Steel Non-Stick Sandwich Maker. If you're a fan of quick, delicious sandwiches, you'll definitely want to stick around for this one. First things first, let's talk about the speed and simplicity of this sandwich maker. With the Gotham Steel, you can whip up 4 perfectly toasted pocket sandwiches in less than 5 minutes, that's from start to finish. Now, what I love about this sandwich maker is how easy it is to use. It's designed for all ages, and the process is as simple as it gets. Just plug it in, wait for the indicator lights to tell you it's ready, and you're good to go. Cleanup is a breeze with the ultra non-stick cooking surface, reinforced with ceramic and titanium. No oil or butter needed for healthier eating, and cleaning up is a 1-2-3 process, just wipe it clean with a damp cloth once it's cooled down. Safety is a top priority with the Cool Touch locking handle. Not only does it prevent the handle from heating up, but it also allows heat to dissipate, ensuring safe operation every time. And let's talk about the sandwiches themselves, perfection every time. The Gotham Steel not only toasts the bread to golden perfection but also seals it with a diagonal indentation for no-fuss slicing in half. Whether you're in a dorm room or a spacious kitchen, the Gotham Steel is designed with portability in mind. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for any sized kitchen. In conclusion, the Gotham Steel Non-Stick Sandwich Maker is a game changer for those who want a quick, easy, and delicious meal without the hassle. Plus, it comes with a 1-year guarantee, so you can trust it's built for years of use. I highly recommend giving it a try. Number 3. Holstein Housewares Non-Stick Omelette Frittata Maker. Hey, foodies! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got something exciting to share, a review of the Holstein Housewares Omelette Maker. If you're tired of breakfast mishaps and want a versatile kitchen companion, you're in for a treat. First off, the Holstein Omelette Maker isn't just for omelets, though it makes 2 fluffy ones in just minutes. You can get creative and whip up frittatas, pizza pockets, apple turnovers, and so much more. It's like having a mini kitchen magician. Now, let's talk about convenience. Cooking and cleaning are a breeze with the non-stick coated cooking surfaces. No more flipping mishaps or dealing with dirty frypans. Just pop in your ingredients, close the lid, and you're good to go. The preheated / ready-to-cook indicator light ensures a reliable cooking temperature every time. One thing I love about this omelette maker is its space-saving design. It takes up minimal space on your countertop, and the sleek, colorful and stainless steel finish adds a touch of style to your kitchen decor. It's practical and pretty, a win-win. Now, let's talk about the brand behind this kitchen gem. Holstein Housewares is all about making cooking and entertaining easy. They've developed a special blend of products to simplify life in the kitchen, offering endless possibilities for all types of lifestyles, from healthy meals to guilty pleasures. And here's something to give you peace of mind: Holstein Housewares offers a 1-year limited warranty, so you can purchase worry-free. Plus, a user manual is included in the packaging and available digitally, providing easy instructions on how to use the product. In conclusion, the Holstein Housewares Omelette Maker is a game changer for those who want a quick, easy, and versatile cooking experience. If you're looking to upgrade your breakfast, lunch, or dinner game, this is a fantastic addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information. If you enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more kitchen adventures, and leave a comment sharing your favorite omelette toppings. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.